going to introduce about photodiode. So, what are the function, operation, uses and application, characteristics, advantages and disadvantages, and frequently asked questions? Photodiode can convert light energy to electrical energy. The above diagram is the symbol of photodiode. Photodiode has two terminals which are anode and cathode, and the arrow stripes on the diode represents light or photons. It is commonly used in fire and smoke detectors, solar cell panel, medical applications such as computer tomography CT scan, optical communication such as optic fiber, street light, and so on.
The PN junction have to work in the reverse bias condition, which is connect the P side to the negative and N side is connected to the positive of the battery. This will cause the depletion region to become wider to receive more photon from the light emission. But what is the depletion region? The depletion region is a region which contains no holes and electron but only contains the space charge when there is no light emission. The depletion region acts as a barrier for the holes and the electron to diffuse into each other. Now let's get back to the diagram. Since the reverse bias potential is applied to the diode, hence it will increase the strength of the potential barrier. The potential barrier resists the flow of charge carrier across the junction. However, there have minority current will flow to the PN junction if no light. This minority current flow to the junction which we call as the dark current. Dark current flow is due to the thermionic emission from the carriers. Then, when the light is emitting, the holes in the depletion region will absorb the photons to produce photon current. Then, the total current flow through the circuit is the sum of dark current and the photon current. To get more understanding of the photodiode, let us talk about the VI characteristic of the photodiode. Since the voltage is reverse biased, then we will get the current in the third quadrant of the graph. First, we can see that the dark current is shown in the graph. Dark current is a minority current flow through the circuit when light off, so that the curve of dark current is near to the axis. Then, after we light on, we can see that our current is increasing. This is because the current will increase due to the intensity of light exposed to the surface area of diode.
The question are, why the operation of photodiode must be in reverse bias? The reason is, when the photodiode in reverse bias, the width of the depletion region increases. When there is the incident light on the diode, the electron hole pair can be generated very large amount at depletion region, and they can cross the barrier very easily. Hence, it can contribute current across the diodes. Nowadays, there are ultra-fast photodiodes in the market that have high-speed operation. They are used in mode beating monitoring, precise synchronization, pulse duration measurement, and so on.
Created using Photodiode.